Next day here now again. What I'm going to do is repeat the process. Hopefully instead of 5 or 6 hours it'll take 1 or 2. I have a couple of jobs on, so I'll probably have to go in a few minutes again. I'll try and record more of the process. Just the cutting and the welding, just talking. Start with that 40mm angle iron again. Just make a square box. Still on the same disc. Use one of my other ones, but only going to bit of cutting and it went to bits. Anyone watching these videos and they want to see something else in them, just comment if I'm missing something that you want to see. Well, just let me know, because I don't really know. I'm just recording bits here and there. I don't know if anyone wants to see bits or different bits. So just comment. Even if you just want to see the welder or something stupid, just put it in there and I'll do, because I don't really know what people want to see in this. The YouTube's supposed to be like a community, so mention what you want to see. If you are watching, do you mind hitting the thumbs up? Just helps the channel out a lot to move along. Cheers, you don't have to subscribe because my voice might annoy you after a while. These don't have to be perfect. Roughly. Now to get the truck up, what I'm going to do here is bring down the 3-inch, this plate down, 3-inch down here, and then in the middle I'm going to kind of brace it all and then have a little checker plate step. So it actually be roughly where the door is opens up, so I stand up behind the door. Do the same on the other side. And that'll be that done. I'm going to do these runners all at the same time. I'd have the two uprights cut here. They kind of look a bit shit, but it's hard to know what it looks like. I just have it all cut out. What I've done is I've marked in here, well, 2.5 inches in, that'll be the curve. I marked that as 10.5 inches. And in there, but it's 2, so I'm just going to cut it 2.5. And then I'll try and do a nice neat fold around and stitch it on. I just need to see what it looks like on the ground without this on, because it looks a bit shit with that on. This is the one I done yesterday. You can see that when the light shines on it, this bend is all over the place. That bend is nice and neat. That's not too bad, but it's all kind of out and in down here. I don't know if you can see it, so I'm just going to pull that off and do a new one. Them two tacked in there. Just made up this. It's hard to see anything here. That last bit there was gone very dark there. Just doesn't look very good there. I can't see a fucking thing. Right. I got this side all made up here, but I'm not happy with with it. It just doesn't look right. It looks a bit better when I have the checker plate on. I just had it outside there and I put the checker plate on. And it kind of hides all this here, so you don't really see it, but you can put another one cross piece here. I'm going to keep this, but here and this one, I'm going to change this for 2-inch box down and just stitch that onto it. So I was going to have to stiffen this up anyway, so because the 2-inch box comes back here and kind of hides all this like that does. And I'm going to do the same here. What I'm going to do is do the other side and see how it looks before I start pulling that off. I'm going to do here is start the other side. We start at the front this time. So I'm going to bring this down to the height I want and get it all made up. And then the bits in the middle, I can get them dead level with the front. I'll be able to do that with the other side when I do it. I like the way that looks, just the way it is. But I'm just afraid something's going to hit these toolboxes and push them. I'll end up losing my tools. Right, this is the way it looks here now. This is the opposite side. I done that same. Not the same as the other side. But here I changed it around a bit and I just put 2-inch blocks down. I just made it neater. I measured everything as I folded the last time, they were different. So they're all the same. So I'm going to do the same on the other side. Put that in. I want to change this bit on the other side because the folds are different. Just try and get them looking the same. Cones fit in there perfect now, so just put a bar across here, just with a pin in it. That'll stop them coming out. And once you do the other side, that's all that done. Oh yeah, there's a bit of angle going here. And I've got a kind of a step checker plate that bolts on there. My foot just fits in there, so that'll be a step up. I'm thinking about doing the same here. Yeah, that's all for now, and I'm gonna